Assalamu alaikum. I'm your science teacher Saira Naeem from Beria College, PNET. Today I'm going to take revision class of unit number 10, Heat and Light. As you all know, most of the heat and light on earth comes from the sun. Light is a form of energy which makes things visible. In this chapter we are studying about properties of light. Objects are classified upon the treatment of light into three categories: transparent, translucent and opaque. Now student, can you see objects in this room? Yes, because the reason is light from the source falls on these objects and light travel to our eye. Light help us to see, so we can see the objects in this room. Now students, tell me, can you see outside the window? No. Why? The reason is the light outside the window cannot reaches us. The wooden shutter blocks this incoming light. Such objects around us are opaque and they are large in numbers. Almost everything around us is opaque, like wood, metal sheets and colored plastics. Okay, now students, tell me. Now open the window shutter. Can you see something? Yes. We can see the surroundings from the glass. And I am sure you want to ask why. What happened now? We have a clear glass in this window which allows light to pass through it. Such objects are called transparent objects. Those objects that allows light to pass through it are called transparent objects, and the window glass is transparent. Okay, now students, look at the shelf which has a milky glass. Are you able to see? Now you can't see clearly, but you probably guess the books are kept inside the cupboard. Milky glass allows light to pass through it but partially. A student, those objects that allows light to pass through it completely are called transparent objects, and the examples of transparent objects are clean water, plastic bottle and air. And those objects that do not allow light to pass through it completely are called translucent objects. And the examples of translucent objects are butter paper, plastic paper. Student, your home assignment is learn all question answers of page number 47. Allah Hafiz. Thank you, students.